Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here in my Hobonichi weeks decorating and planning for the week of March 31st through to April 6th. And I will be using these Feathered Friends stickers from According to Allie. I love Allie stickers. They're always so beautiful and just so fitting for every week that I choose them for. If you are interested in her stickers, you can use my affiliate link down in the description below and use the code Karina10 for 10% off your stickers. All right, so I'm also going to bring out, do I want to use this washi or do I want this? Ooh, this one would match with that bird really well. I like that. Or normally I like using Allie's inks as well, but these ones seem a bit too light. Maybe these. This also, well, I like the yellow in here though. I don't know. I feel like something contrasting would work. Like, this blue is too blue. This one is leaning more teal. So that wouldn't work necessarily. I'm thinking one of these three. Too much. It's one of these two. Maybe a mixture of both. Okay. So what I normally do is cover up the bottom with this wiper cream tape, and I'll do that now. Now that that's done, then I can decorate the bottom here. Let's see. The bottom is normally something that I like to leave quite simple, just because I don't want it to go into Sunday when I know I'll probably need that space to write down what's going on that day. Where are my tweezers? I always like to put stickers down with tweezers. So let's put the eggs down here. And one more egg. Okay, and then I forgot that I normally, using my Pilot Vanishing Point here, draw the grids for, or draw the different columns that I use for planning. And what I love about the Hobonichi weeks is that they already have the dots here to make it easier for you to split your rows into your designated columns. Whereas for me, the harder one is the one on the edge here for weather, and just making sure that that's straight. And I don't always get it perfect, but that is okay. All right, then I can go about adding some of this. And I think I'm going to cover some of this here. I don't mind covering that calendar there because I know what date it is. And do I want, see, the thing is, if I place this here, I'm covering that, but okay, I'll place this here. It's not straight. I have these discussions in my head about what this is going to all look like, and then some days it goes well and other days it's kind of wherever I feel like putting the sticker down is what's going to happen. Oops, sorry. I'm going to add just a little. See, not straight. And I do this to myself. And with nails, it's so hard to pull these up. Here we go. And I am not the pro of putting stickers or washi down straight. So if you came to my channel expecting perfection, that is not what I am about. Okay, putting some more washi down. And I'm already thinking maybe I need to stop with the decorating and actually put what I need to put on this side here. So starting with, actually, Do I want to get my... No, I don't. I'm going to just do it this way. So my sleep, I'm using my Esterbrook SD in Tortoise, and it currently has Ferris wheel press buttered popcorn. And I've been asked a few times whether I have any recommendations for inks that are similar to Ferris wheel press buttered popcorn. I actually placed an order with Van Ness pens last week, and that should be arriving. Actually, by the time this video goes out, the inks should have arrived, and then I will be doing a comparison video for that, as well as Pilot Iroshizuku Inaho. I have been very lucky to have a bottle of that ink, and I know that one is no longer being produced. So I've also found inks that are similar to that. They're not going to be exactly the same, but they're similar to that. Okay. Next, I'm going to do habits here. So the grids that I've just drawn out are my sleep score, my workouts. Now I'm going to draw habits and vitamins. I'm trying to make sure I take my vitamins every day. I have not been good this last week. I have not felt very well either with the change in temperature and the change in pressure, because we went from above 0 Celsius temperatures, like 5 Celsius, to -10, and then a lot of snow, which really affects me and my headaches. I've had a headache on and off really for the last couple of days here. And then tasks. Maybe just place tasks here. And then anything will be listed under there. Okay, it looks a little haphazard, but that is because I don't have any more stickers there. So I'm going to place, see these stickers up here. Cute. Then this bird. Oopsie. Here, it's going to overlap a bit, but I'm okay with that. And then I could probably place something here, some sort of floral or berries. And then I could place the floral here. I like that. And then how many stickers do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could probably place, I don't know, we'll see. We'll decorate this page first and then go from there. So I'm going to put my work schedule on this side here, but before I do that, where is my blotting paper? I always need blotting paper because I am just really bad with smudging. I got myself a new sheet of blotter paper. This is from Esterbrook. I love their blotter papers because of the artwork that's on them. Okay, so my work schedule this week is, I think Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are all the same. Oh, and I have a nail appointment on Wednesday to get my nails done. I'll write that in a different color. But then Thursday is different because of Robin's parent-teacher interviews. So work is going to be 8:30 to 2:45. And then, oh, let me double check. And then 4:45 to 7. And then Friday is the usual 9 to 5:30. Then Henry has swimming lessons, his spring start. And then he also has badminton. Okay. Now, it feels like if I put even my appointments in yellow, it would be a lot. So I'm going to add things in here with my Pilot Kakuno, my drowsy prank. Wow. Drowsy pink with Sailor Ink Studio 273. And I'm going to put here 6 o'clock manicure. And then here it's, I believe the appointments are at 3:20 and 3:30, or 3:30 and 3:40. But anyway, Robin, PT interview. And I'm just going to write the time when I know it. And then here we're going to have brunch with family. Okay. Those are the things that I know are happening this week. So then I'll go into my to-dos. I'll have to meal plan and order groceries, which are normally my Monday thing. But I also plan on painting one collection. And if I haven't done it yet, I have orders to do. Tuesday, I need to put out the garbage, or my husband needs to put out the garbage. And I will need to paint a collection. And then Wednesday, after the manicure, probably nothing yet. Oh, and then Thursday, yeah. Just thinking, if there's a way that I could probably film my March progress, like March ink progress, do that there. Thursday, if I need to, probably paint one more collection here, but we'll see. Or maybe I'll have to scan the collections here. And then edit and upload my ink progress report. Friday, leave that. Saturday, our usual cleaning. So bathrooms. Henry started to help out with vacuuming. My husband will do the windows. General area, Henry is doing the light switches and door handles. And we're going to get my daughter to do the mopping. And then Sunday, I will need to film my week's plan with me. And then I know I'm missing something, but what? I will need to, I'll come up with it when it comes up. Okay, so then weather. What is the weather going to be like this week? So the weather this week has been crazy. I'm filming this on Sunday. Today, the low was -12. It is now 0. Earlier this week, on the Thursday, so the day after my birthday, Thursday the 27th, it snowed, and it snowed for a good 48 hours. And we still have a good 2-3 feet, well, about 2 feet of snow. And then, as you'll see, as this weekend progresses, we're going to get to above 0 temperatures. So temperatures go crazy during spring. So Monday, it's supposed to be sun and cloud. And Tuesday is cloudy. And I know Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, well, Wednesday is sun, cloud. Same with Thursday, sun and cloud. Same with Friday, sun and cloud. And Saturday is also sun and cloud. And then Sunday is sunny. This weather stamp is from AliExpress, and I think I linked it in the description below. And then for weather, the actual temperature. So Monday, the high is 2 degrees. with the low of -8. Hopefully this snow is starting to melt. Tuesday, the high is 3 degrees with the low of -3, so looking good. Wednesday, the high is 1 degree with a low of -7. Same with Thursday. When I'm filming this, I'm always wondering who really is interested in my weather. But really, if you don't live in northern Alberta or Canada, these temperatures are going to seem very foreign to you. And look at this. On Saturday, the high is 10 degrees Celsius with a low of -3. That is spring for you. And then Sunday, the high is 12 with a low of 0. So yeah, spring is definitely here. Although I feel like with these temperatures, this is our fake spring, and then we'll have probably one more round of snow before spring is actually here. All right, I think that is it. I love the Ferris wheel press buttered popcorn. It just helps everything pop, although I feel like Birmingham Penco barley would have probably worked better with that yellow, but that's okay. But I do love the pinky brown of the Sailor Ink Studio 273 with this spread. All right, but that is all it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do like these plan with me's, especially in my Hobonichi weeks. I feel like I've really settled into this planner and it's just working so well for me. Again, thank you all so much for watching. Have yourselves a great day.